Hello guys, it's been a long time since I've done a video, but then anyway, I haven't been doing a lot of trading lately, so I think I've just taken three or four trades so far. So these were the trades that I took. This is the euro. I took this euro New Zealand dollar trade, which ended up with a loss. Here the idea was pretty much I was targeting this level here, and then once the market, okay, first of all let's just zoom out and see why did I target this level. So you can see that from here we formed this level, then from this level we had this crazy reaction, and then here the market was not really doing much. So I also looked and I saw that we were forming this wedge right here, and then boom. So typically when you see this is usually a fake out, then you can expect a move higher, because looking at this you can see, so I was expecting a reaction here, and then I saw this fake out, and then on the fake out I focused on the candlestick on price action, and then here you can see you basically formed this candlestick here, formed a new low but then closed on the high. So once I saw this, I knew that there was potential for the market to make a move to the upside, and then I placed my trade right here. The market tried to go up but then ended up melting before it went up to my target. So when the market came down, I got stopped out right here, and then the market made the move to the upside. So if we can just go to the MT5, this was the trade. This right here was the trade. So as you can see, I got stopped out, and the market made a move high, and this, I think this was the trade. So I risked a little over that this must be a 0.6% risk. So this was the trade. So after losing this trade, I went back to being at 0% in terms of my profits. So I was back to 0. So after this, I took the following trade. So this is the other trade that I took on the rand to the dollar. So pretty much here the idea came from this level here. Remember, the first trade that I took was here, the one that I got stopped out, break even. So now seeing the market drop, I waited down here. I think I refined this zone on the 4 hours. Let me go onto the 4 hour. So here on the 4 hour, I think I took something like this. And then I went on the 30-minute time frame for my entry, and then here on the 30-minute, I think here I was not active. Not active. So I was busy throughout this period here. So when I came back, That's when I saw this opportunity on Thursday. And then here it was pretty much simple. I saw this market structure right here. Okay, this is misbehaving. Let me see. So pretty much I saw the market structure, higher high, then this, then here. Once the market came down here, I was pretty much looking at this to see if this was gonna break. But it did not. So I was trying to see if I was gonna get a break here, but then it did not. Once I didn't see a break, I waited for a break of this candlestick here, and then once you get a break and a close above, that's when I place my trade. And then yeah, this was a very quick trade. I think it was in and out around according around 7 o'clock, and then I was out by 11 a.m. So for a nice 1 to 3, no, actually a 1 to 3.5, a 1 to 3.5. So yeah, on my MT5 you can see this is the trade right here. And then if I just zoom in a little bit, oh no, if I just zoom in a little bit, you can see this was basically the trade that I took. And yeah, so other trades that I took was this one here. I think I took the trade on, or this was the initial trade that I took, but then the sizing was incorrect, or was it? What happened here? I think this was my break even. Yeah, this was my break even, the first trade that was a break even, and then this was the winner. And then the other trade that I took, I think it was on Bitcoin. Oh, it was this Bitcoin trade. I bought these levels here. I bought the market right here, so hoping for a move to the upside, but then I got stopped out break even. So I closed out break even because I was really not confident in this trade. I almost reached a 1 to 3 because my stop loss was very tight. I think my stop loss was here, so I almost reached the 1 to 3, but it was never meant to be. So I think the other one that I took, there was another break even that I took. Oh, the JPY, the CADJPY trade. Okay, this one, like CADJPY, this was the trade. So this one, man, like this one is very painful to watch go to break even, because I think my take profit was somewhere around here. So I was very close to my take profit. But yeah, this was the trade. I stuck to my plan and I got stopped out. So I'm not gonna go into the details of explaining the reason as to why I entered this trade. But then as you can see here, see this reversal candlestick was the motivation. new high, then closing on the low aggressively, then right here, that's when I place my trade. Moved smoothly, but then ended up reversing and taking me out break even. I should have closed this trade here because I looked at the futures market, and I should have seen there on the futures market that the Japanese yen was going to weaken, and we also have like a monster gap, so I'm expecting more continuation to the upside. I'm very bearish on the Japanese yen for the week, so yeah, we'll see what opportunities we get. So that's it, guys. Currently now the account is back to 3%, 3% up in profit. So we'll see how we close this week. Hopefully we can wrap up this challenge, this phase one this week. I'll try to dedicate more time to my trading, and then yeah, hopefully we can wrap this up. But yeah, this was it, guys. Sharp.